Previously on 100 Mondays.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's time for another 100 Mondays. As you can see, I'm putting a little more detail into the Ewok.
Happy birthday, Francis. The one day I'm not on social media was your birthday. So this piece is called Cell Division.
Art Mama Moves, 100 Mondays, with Amanda Ruth. 2021, baby.
It's been a year, or almost, since we began our virtual art show. 100 Mondays, a sequential show with varying artists, musicians, special guests, etc., who share some perspective with the world.